burn. How did you burn your hand? I burned my hand while I was cooking. Fracture. I have a fracture in my leg. She had a hairline fracture in her leg. Cramp. I often cramp at night. He had a sudden painful cramp in his leg at night. Hit. Keep down or you'll be hit by street board. Sprain. I got a sprain while walking. Graze. I grazed my knee when I fell off. Stiff neck. I have a stiff neck after using a phone a lot. Bite. A dog suddenly came and bit my leg. Hangnail. I have a lot of hangnails on my finger. Cut. I cut my finger while chopping vegetables. Bump. How did you bump your head? Blister. My shoes are causing blister on my feet. Trip. Watch out, don't trip over the power strip. Slip. I slipped on the wet floor and fell. Bruise. A blue, brown, or purple mark that appears on the skin. I've got a big bruise on my arm. Sting. She got a sting by a bee. Swollen. My face is swollen with toothache. Numbness. I often feel numbness in my hands. Sunburn. She gets sunburn very easily. Scratch. Don't scratch your wound, it will spread. Splinter. I got a splinter in my finger from the wood. Stub. He stubbed his toe badly. Prick. I got a prick on my finger from the cactus. Break a tooth. You can break a tooth on that hard candy. Rashes. Rashes have erupted all over my body. Itching. Scratch my back, please, I have an itch.